Imagine waking up to a peaceful, tree-lined street, starting your morning with a game of ping pong at Ernie Winch Park, and catching a bus to Edmonds Station. It's all within 5 minutes walk. Whether you are a first-home buyer, a growing family, or someone simply loves this community vibe, and you also missed my previous 2-bedroom garden home in the area, then this is your second chance. It's a 2-bedroom home at Cedar Creek by Ledingham McAllister, and it's also priced at below assessment. It's a perfect blend of modern lifestyle, privacy, and unbeatable value. So this is where the southeast exposure shines. You got floor-to-ceiling window, wrap around this living area, bringing tons of natural light while giving you ultimate privacy. Because there's no one directly in front of you, which is a rare find in condo these days. Now stepping out, this is a massive covered balcony area. So welcome to the heart of this house. It's open concept kitchen. You have this flat panel modern cabinetry. Take a look. Quartz countertop throughout. You got the island as double your dining space, prep your favorite meals, or it could be your home office bar. You got the stainless steel appliances throughout, a huge sink, under cabinet lighting. The clean light here make this kitchen polished and high-end feel.
So back inside, this is your primary bedroom. Enough space for a queen-size bed plus 2 nightstands. And on this side, you have enough space to put a dresser. You can also put another closet here. And don't forget this oversized window, super private, and you're not staying at the other building. So on my right hand side here, there is the walk-in closet. Lots of space to store all your clothes, jewelry, or shoes, so it's perfect space for you.
Now the second bedroom is a total flex space. Right now, it's a full workstation and a sneaker wall. But whether you use it as a home office, a guest room, or a nursery room, this split bedroom layout gives you that extra privacy. So looking for a home that blends in with modern living, walkable convenience, and long-term value, this 2-bedroom home at Cedar Creek checks all the boxes and is priced at below the assessment value. My name is Ken.
I'm Barton, and we're from the True Partners Real Estate team. So if you can picture yourself living here, make sure that you give us a call or a text over here, and we will show you before everyone else. Let's go.
Yeah!
Bye-bye.